Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Most of people trust WhatsApp because of its end-to-end encryption, but many don't realize is that several iPhone settings quietly determine how private your chats, calls and media actually are. In this video, I'm going to show you three most important iPhone settings in your WhatsApp that will help you out to secure your data on WhatsApp. First thing, tap on settings, tap on account, then tap on two-step verification, and here make sure you have enabled a 6-digit pin. The second settings, which mostly people think it's very normal but actually it's a very critical, is your profile photo. If who can see my profile photo is set as everyone, that means that scammer can use your photo on your behalf. They might ask for money or something else. So make sure you select a second option, my contacts, or the third options you can select my contact except you don't trust. Go back, do same thing for your groups as well. After this, we have another setting which is also in privacy. Scroll down to advanced. Here there are three settings. First, block unknown account messages for extra layer of security, and always enable protect IP address in calls, and also disable link previews. So these are the three settings. First in accounts and two are in privacy. You must enable, though WhatsApp claims that their data is end-to-end encrypted, but these settings belongs to your device or your preferred settings. So let me know what changes you have made after watching my this video. So that's it for today's short tutorial. See you in the next one.